Introduction of Pandas Library, Python. Pandas is a popular and powerful library in Python that provides data structures and data analysis tools. It is widely used for data preprocessing, cleaning, and manipulation. The library was created by Wes McKinney and was first released in 2008. It is built on top of the NumPy library, which provides efficient numerical computations, and integrates well with other libraries such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, and scikit-learn. The main data structure in Pandas is the data frame, which is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with columns of different data types. This allows for efficient and convenient representation of tabular data, such as datasets in a CSV file or spreadsheets. Pandas also provides a series of functions for performing operations on the data, such as filtering, grouping, aggregating, transforming, and merging. It also has powerful indexing capabilities and handling of missing data. Another important feature of Pandas is its support for reading and writing data from various sources, such as CSV files, Excel sheets, SQL databases, and more. This makes it easy to load and manipulate data from different sources. Overall, Pandas is a powerful and versatile library that makes it easy to manipulate and analyze data in Python. Whether you're working with small or large datasets, Pandas provides a comprehensive set of tools for working with data efficiently and effectively.